Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the Cinnamoroll Crepe in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, the collaborations event with the Sanrio, and then in here you can cook any special food. One of them is the Cinnamoroll Crepes. And to cook this food, first you just need to have the Cinnamoroll Crepe recipe. You can get the recipe from the Sanrio Character Gacha Rewards. Like this, you can see it. You can get the recipe from here, and then after that, after you get the recipe, just go to your stove, and then next just choose the recipe, this one. Like this, just choose the Cinnamoroll Crepes, and then in here you just need wheat, butter, eggs, and coffee beans. Make sure you complete all these ingredients. You can just get the butter, egg, and coffee beans from the NPC Massimo, and then for the wheat you can just blend it yourself at the gardening hobby. And then after the ingredients are complete, just simply tap start cooking. Like this, and just like that you will successfully cook the Cinnamoroll crepes like this. I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.